The subnet was 255.255.0.0, but you have to divide into 12 subnets now. Hmm?
Sir,
12
have you,
subnets. Okay.
sir?
So it's a. Have you completed that exercise first? If you have completed, you can share the uh, details first and then do it.
Hello, sir.
Uh,
Ritik, have you done that
Yes,
exercise
sir. I
number
have
10?
sent it in the group as well. The pic.
Sorry?
I have sent the pic also in the group, in the Azure group.
Acha. For the 10, number 10.
No, sir. The exercise you have given us earlier.
Hmm.
We have to use the 10th number, like, what's up that? This
the
10.15.0.0, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
okay, we'll try that.
First, solve it. Have you solved it? Have you completed the solution of that, number 10?
Yes, sir.
So what is the solution? What is subnet 0, subnet 1 ka details? You have
I think we'll have to.
compare that first. Do a
Okay.
group discussion and you can
Okay,
do
we'll do it.
group discussion and first tell me what is the answer for that subnet number
Okay.
10
Yes, sir.
and then we'll go ahead.
For subnet,
So for that one, do we have to do it for so for example, when we were doing it for the first time, we discussed subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3, all four of them. So do we have to do it for all four?
Yeah, all four. Yeah.
Okay.
Do all four. Question number 10 for subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. For what is the subnet address? What is the broadcast address? What is the valid range? Do that for all four.
okay, sir.
For number
Okay.
10. Okay, come on, everybody do that. Then implement. The question is solved or you're stalling? You all are solving now. What is happening?
Actually, I solved it, but I had Kajur in my bag.
Uh,
All that papers and like that all got spoiled.
No problem. Yeah, tell me.
I'm doing it now. Yeah,
Okay.
on
I
the
have
Ritik,
solved
laptop.
it.
Ritik, have you done that?
I have done the maximum subnet, maximum host, network part, subnet part, and host part, but not the subnet 0, subnet 1, and subnet 2. For it,
Yeah,
I
do
have
that. Come
done
on.
I have done the subnet 1 and 2 and 3 for
Hmm.
the homework you have given us.
But for number 10, everybody do it. Complete it. We'll check, cross verify, and then implement it. Come on, fast.
Okay, sir. Hi everyone. Hello.
Yes, what happened?
Sir, I just need to cross check with others.
Yeah, Brian, you want to talk to
Once what?
Let's talk to Ritik. Ritik and Sanjay. Sorry, Sanjay and Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
Yes, dear.
Hi Brian. Uh,
Yes, dear. How are you, Ritik?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, fine. Tell
I'm
me.
asking that for 10.15.0.0 network,
Hmm.
it's a first of all class B network and the subnet requirement is 12.
It's not
Actually,
class
it's not
B.
class B, it is class A because if you notice the first octet, it's 10. It's a range
Yes,
of the class A.
I know that, but sir has told us to
No,
make it
but
as
this already has been submitted before. The one which you already given, it's already submitted. So now you need to submit it again. Understood?
so we need to
Don't get
treat it as a
confused.
class A.
It is now it's nothing to do with class because you know it's classless.
Yeah.
Now it's nothing to do with the class. Immediately just go ahead. Take now you are just doing submitting for 10.15.0.0/16.
It might
Just
be
take
something.
it like this. It is classless. Take out about class A, class B, class C, what you have taught before. Take it out from your mind because it's classless now.
Okay.
And go ahead like this. I will share with you the first answer. Then you can go ahead with the others.
Okay, for subnet 0.
Yeah, what you do? First of all, they're requiring 12 subnets, right?
Yes.
Then what you have to do? You have to convert 12 to binary, right?
Yeah. 1100.
1100. Excellent. This 1100, that means 4 bits, right?
Yeah. Subnet maximum subnet would be 2 power 4.
Yeah, 2 power
4.
for this maximum submit. And the
And
maximum host will be 2
is
power 12
2 power 12 minus 2
minus 2 exactly. But now we are talking about the submit mask.
is 255.255.240.0.
Excellent. Now we are going to the first submit.
Subnet 0.
Submit 0, yes.
Yeah.
Actually, the first submit will be 15. This is a network address 10.15.0.0.
Yeah.
This is easy, right?
That network part. Yeah.
How we have got this network address? How we have got this answer? By making all the host part
Eh,
ones.
Yeah. 8 and 8
Yeah, we have taken all host parts as zeros. Okay,
Yeah.
zero. That's why. Now, when we
Yeah.
come to broadcast, what you have to do? You have to make
Six six
all
zeros
all
and two
host
one.
all host parts. You have to make it ones.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Then we'll get back to again to submit mask. Our submit mask was 255.255.240.0.
Yeah.
That means if we convert this submit mask to the binary number or to the binary, what will happen? The first octet will be 111 ones.
Yes. It means 3. 10.15
No, no,
point
no.
three point two five five.
Again.
The broadcast part would be 10.15.3.255.
Broadcast. Listen, broadcast. We are talking about broadcast. We said the first 10.15. That is all given to the
Network part. Yeah.
network part. That means all will be the binary will be all ones.
Yeah. 10
Eight
ones.
times 1 for the first octet, 8 times 1 for the second octet, right?
Wait. Triple one one.
Okay, listen up. I don't want you to get confused.
Yeah.
Tell me the submit mask which you have got.
Wait.
255.255.240.0.
The broadcast part would be 10.1 15.
No, 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 no. I'm not talking about this. About submit mask. Sorry, submit mask. Tell me about the submit mask. Sorry.
255.255.240.0.
All right. Then we know our logic. What we have to do? The simple formula. If we want to get the network address, we have to make all uh,
Host
host
0.
parts, all
Host
host parts
0.
zeros,
Yeah.
right? And
Yeah.
if we want to get the broadcast address, we have to make all the host parts ones.
Yeah, in broadcast.
Okay. Now get back to the submit mask again.
Okay.
255.255.240.0.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me this number in binary?
Which one? 240.
No, 255.255.240.0. Tell me in binary.
It's 8181, then 4140,
Exactly.
and 8
Exactly.
zeros. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. You are right. Now, by looking to this submit mask, we come to know the last 12, last 12 zeros are for the host parts, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And we said that to make the broadcast address or to make the network address, we have to make the parts of the host all zeros.
Yeah.
That's why we got 10.15.0.0. This is the first
Yeah.
one.
In zeros.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. About
And
broadcast address. When we get the broadcast address, what you have to do? Making all the
host
host parts
1.
once. That means what we will get? We will get C. If we get back to the submit mask again, it is the first, the third. What I'm talking about, the third octet. Which one?
The
Which
third one.
octet? Third
Third.
one, which is 240, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The binary of that was 4 ones, 4 zeros.
Yeah.
Exactly. طيب. That means
It's 15.
the 4 zeros, it belongs to what? The 4
Zeros
zeros
will
in
not.
this octet. Huh?
Yeah. What will you say?
The 4 zeros in this octet, it belongs to
The network.
the host part. The 4 0 in this octet, it belongs to
It was written as like I might be understanding wrong. It was written as 10.1 15 point, then 4 zeros, then 4 ones, point 8 ones in the
first
broadcast in
the
subnet 0.
broadcast 8 ones dot 8 ones dot 4 ones 4 zeros
You are going from right to left, right?
from left to right.
Yeah.
From left to right. 8 ones,
Okay.
8 ones, 4 ones, 4 zeros. This
Yeah.
is the third octet. And the
Yeah.
last octet, it is 8 zeros.
Yeah.
Okay. Then by looking to this submit mask in binary form, we understand that the 4 zeros of the third octet that belong to host part,
Yeah.
right? And
Yeah.
the 8 zeros of the last octet belongs to host part also, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now these zeros, 12 zeros, 4 zeros of the third octet and 8 zeros of the last octet, we have to turn it to 1. Make it ones all.
Yeah.
And forget about the others. Make all these ones, forget about others. Make this all ones.
I have done that.
When you make all these ones, what will happen?
We will get 15.
It will get
10.15.
10.15.15.255.
Yes.
Exactly. That means the network address will be 10.15.0.0 and broadcast address is 10.15.15.255. That is
Yeah.
the broadcast address. This is the first submit. That's subnet 0.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay?
And the valid one was 10.15.0.1
Yes.
to 10.15.15.254.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay? You got it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Now, should we go to the other one?
Okay.
The other one is a little bit complicated. Okay? I think it will be okay. Now, what the network address is easy to get in the submit one. It's easy to get the network address. Can you tell me the network address of subnet 1?
What?
Network address of subnet number 1.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the network address? It's easy. The next IP address after the broadcast of subnet number 0. The next IP address immediately.
Is 10.15.4.0.
No.
Network
10.15.16.0.
1003.
Exactly.
Wait a minute. 00 should be. इसे गलत हो गया है. Yes,
It
ये
will be
15,
10.15.16.0.
The 10.15 point, then
16.
0,
16.0.
the subnet would be 10.15.5 zeros, 100.
No, what? Again?
The subnet 1 for subnet 1.
Hmm.
The subnet mask would be the network address would be 10.15.5 zeros, 100.
No, I'm talking about network address
Yeah,
in
network
the
itself.
decimal form.
No, I'm
10
talking
dot-
about in binary form.
No, I'm talking about no. Now we are just because we are a user. Now we just want to know the range of the next subnet, the network address and the broadcast address. After that, we'll go for the calculation just to know the broadcast. But for the network address, if you just go with the formula which we already know about making the host parts all zeros, we will get 10.15.16.0. I'll show you how.
Wait a minute, I will do it again. Requirement 12 दे रखी है.
Sanjay also doing what? Sanjay.
पोस्ट दिख रहा है मुझे 20 आएगा.
Sanjay. Are you there?
Yes, Manapan. Yes, I'm actually going a little slow, just trying to ensure I'm getting the logic actually.
No
So,
problem, no problem.
Your
Yeah, going a
first
little
one, you
slow.
got it properly.
No, not yet. I'm still on the first one actually.
Subnet number 0, I'm talking.
Yeah, still doing that.
This
Just
one
trying
is
to
okay.
ensure I'm getting the logic behind it. So doing a little slow.
Okay, no
I'm
problem.
almost there. I'll let you know once I have the final IP.
Retics, listen up.
Yeah.
Just take the formula which we have taken. The network address, for the network address, the
Yeah,
host
but
part
the
all has to be 0.
yeah, Ibrahim,
Hmm.
Correct.
the network to binary what was 10.15.5 times zeros, then 100.
I'm not. You are saying 5 times 0 is what?
Binary,
5
yes.
times?
Binary. The network decimal to binary for network address.
Okay, decimal to binary. Is that what you said?
Yeah. 10.15.5 times zeros, then
Then
100.
10.15.
1
You
5
are
1
just
5
ah
1 5 15
10.15 dot
5 times 0, then 100.
no, it's not 5 times zeros. It is 4. It is 4 times ones and 4 times zeros, because if you just go to conversion of 12 to binary, you will get 4 bits. Sir, I think it's better just to share and just do that on, because talking like this, that it will be a little bit complicated for others.
Have you completed or not completed? Ritik, have you understood? Sanjay, are you able to do?
I just want to share with them, but if you open for me that share the screen and
Yeah, sure, no problem.
okay.
I'm almost.
I
I'm
will
almost
I will
done with.
make I
Sorry.
will do share screen.
Okay. I'm almost done with the zero, the subnet zero. So almost just at the last bit of it. So I'll just take 2 more minutes if you want me to try completing this.
All right, then fine.
Zero.
Okay, good try. Okay.
हाँ जोर भाई नमस्कार। ओह क्या हो गया? अच्छा हाँ वो तो बुरी रहा है करो करो हाँ हाँ वो पिक्चर आगे चला क्या है ये गाने एक ही एक का फॉर्म लगा लिख रहा है तो खाली जीवन एक ही जगह काफी जगह भी देखते हैं
Uh, so Ibrahim, for the subnet 0,
Hmm.
what was the uh, sorry, just 1 minute here. Hmm. What was the subnet mask? Was it 255.255.240.0?
Yes. Actually,
Okay. Mhm.
listen, submit mask, it is for all subnets. It
Correct.
will be
Yeah.
same. Okay.
Okay.
But now we have to put in our mind what exactly we want to find out.
Mhm.
First of all, we want to know the network address for each subnet,
Correct.
and we want to know the broadcast address for each subnet.
Correct.
After knowing the network address and broadcast address, then I think it won't be difficult just to know the range of IP address between the network address and broadcast address.
Okay.
The assignable IP address, I mean.
Yes, you mean the valid
Okay?
IP range. Yeah.
Yeah, valid IP address. That
Okay.
means the range, the IP address which will come between the network address and broadcast address, these IP addresses will be assignable to the
Okay.
devices.
Correct.
Okay?
Yes.
Then let's just get it. I already shared the screen,
Okay.
and we will go step by step here on the notepad. But the thing is like just guys forgive me because my speed on keyboard is so slow.
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Yeah. Then what we will do, we want 10 dot what?
15.
10.15. Oh,
15.
I'm not
Yeah.
writing. 10.15
15.
dot
0.0.
0.0 slash what? Slash 16.
16.
Okay.
Last
And
week.
the submit mask is 255 255
Dot.
dot
Mhm.
255 dot 255 oh
Dot
sorry dot
0.
0
Mhm.
dot 0. Okay.
Mhm.
The required submit, we'll give it like
12.
a sample like R required RS required submit.
12.
Okay. It is we want 12, right?
12. Yes.
Okay. First of all, when we get like this, because they
So we
ask us,
convert. Yeah. Mhm.
yeah, they ask us for the number of submit they need. They need
Correct.
12 submits. We have to
Yes.
convert this to the
To binary.
binary.
Binary, yes.
Yeah, and we have already got the answer.
4 bit. Yeah.
Convert, okay,
1100.
convert 12 to binary.
Binary.
Okay, it's
Correct.
equal to
1100.
1100.
00.
Means how many
Four,
bits?
4 bits.
4 bits, exactly. 4 bits. All right. Now we have done this conversion just to know the number of bits that we will own or we will borrow from the host side. Okay?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. As I told you, it is classless. There is nothing to think about class A, class B,
Correct.
class C over here. Directly
Yes.
they told us, hey guys, you have 16 bits already given to
Given.
network.
Network.
Now we want this to be divided in 12 subnets. That means the 4 bits which we have got here, we will borrow it from the third octet. We'll borrow it
Correct.
from where? From the third octet, okay? Then when we see 4, how it will become? It will be, as you said, 111. Do I need to write all this or immediately should I go for submit mask?
You can go for subnet mask. No
Submit
problem.
mask immediately, right? The submit mask will be, because you know the conversion, right? How we
Yes.
got this?
Mhm. 0.
.255.240.0.
0.
Now, this submit mask, it is very important because we're going to use this submit mask in all submits, in 12 submits that we're going to get.
Yes.
Okay?
Mhm.
Okay, now we have got it here. Everything's clear, right?
Yes.
We want to know the maximum. The maximum
Host.
the maximum number of the maximum number of submits. The
Of
maximum
subnet.
number we'll get for of this.
Okay.
They are asking us for 12 subnets, but after borrowing 4 or taking 4 bits from the host side, how
From the
many subnets we will get? We see the
2 to
maximum,
the
okay?
yeah.
Maximum number of subnits. So
2 to the power of 4. Right?
exactly equal to
2 to the power of 4.
2 to the power
16.
of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is
Oh,
equal 16. Okay. Now till here we are clear, right? Now
yes.
we'll go to the maximum host per submit. Maximum host, but you have to be here. Be aware, guys, that this maximum number of hosts, this will be for each submit, not for all subnets. For each submit. That's why we say maximum number
Number of yes.
of hosts
For
per,
each subnet. Yeah.
per subnet. Okay? Will be how much? How many?
Yeah.
2 to the
2 to
power
the
of
power of now the host in this case would be for network part would be 0.
2 to the power of 12. How did I get this 12?
Uh, because they want 12 subnets.
Because we already have, no, not because they want, because we
Oh, okay.
already
Because of
remain in
remaining,
zeros.
yeah, remaining 12.
Remaining
Yeah.
zeros.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
Remaining zeros,
So
that it is especially for hosts, right?
yes, 16
That's why
minus
we use
4.
them
Oh,
here.
correct.
2 to the
Yes.
power of 12
12
minus
minus 2.
2.
2.
It's
Yes.
equal to,
10.
it
Let me
is
check.
uh it is 4,000
1022.
4,096. Yes, 4,096. Okay, clear, right?
Uh,
Huh?
4096. So minus 2, 4094. Yeah.
No, it is
409.
with minus. I'm talking with minus.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is
4094.
4,092 98 minus 2, it's 96 will be.
Let me check.
Just make sure.
Yes. Checking that.
Okay, okay, okay. Minus 2. Right, right, all right. It will be in, oh, sorry, sorry.
Four
Mistake.
zero nine four, right?
4094. Sorry, sorry. I did not
Okay.
do minus
No,
2.
that's okay.
Okay.
No problem. Yeah.
I did not do
4094.
minus 4. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll go to the, now everything is clear. Now we want our first subnet. We call it subnet 0. Subnet, because as we know, 0, it has value in computer, right? So our first subnet number 0. Okay? Are you with me?
Yes, Imran, I can hear you. Yeah.
Subnet 0. Then when we are talking about subnet 0, now we want to get
Yes.
the network address. The network address. Okay, I wrote in shortcut, just don't make, don't get mixed up. Okay? So the network address. Are you with me?
Yes, Imran.
Hello? Yeah.
Yes,
The
there was some
network,
background noise.
yeah, the network address. It is simple. Just there is one thing we'll do here because that we're gonna need. This is 1 1 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 space 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 again, and 240 here. It is what we said, 240. 1 2 3 4 0 0 0 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is our subnet mask
Broadcast
in binary, yeah, subnet mask in binary form. This is our subnet mask
invite.
in binary form. This we need.
Correct.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now the network address, it is easy formula, that you have to make all what, uh all the host parts you have to make zeros. All host parts you have to make zeros, right?
Correct. Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
Then
So mhm.
then to get the first one, 10, our
Dot
normal
15.
IP address, 10
Yes.
dot
10 dot
15
15 dot
dot
0 0 0 0 80.
dot dot 0.
Mhm.
Sorry, sorry. Dot, yeah, dot 0
So four zeros and then the rest.
dot
If we
0.
are breaking it down, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine till here.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go to the broadcast address.
Yes. So 10 dot 15.
Broadcast address. Okay. The broadcast address will be, we have to
We
make
make it
all
all
host
host
parts
one.
ones. Make
Binary
them
ones. Yeah.
ones. Okay.
Correct.
This one have to be what? See here.
So 10 dot 15 dot
See here. All this has to be one. You see this?
1.
Because this
Yes.
is the
Correct.
network. This is the host parts. Okay. What we will do?
So
10
12 ones. Yeah.
dot 15 dot.
Dot
Now we are making this. We are making this ones.
1.
The first
Yes.
one here, if we convert this, 1 1 1 1, it is 1 plus 2. It is 1 plus 2. It is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 8, it is 15, right?
Yes. 15. That's correct.
15. It is
15.
15 dot 255. 255 is clear, right? Because we make all these zeros,
Uh, yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, this is broadcast address. Now, this is our first subnet. Then the IP address, which IP addresses which are available from 10.15.0.0 till 10.15.15.255, this IP address will be assignable to the devices. Okay?
Yeah. Ibrahim, just give me 1 minute if you don't mind.
Mm.
Just writing this broadcast address. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Hey, Abhishek, कल इंटर का स्केड्यूल क्या है जरा लिख के बता, कौन कौन से कितने एग्जाम कितने बजे क्या है?
So Ibrahim, what about the 4 bits of the subnet uh, part? So we wrote
Which four?
255.
Which four?
So if we look at the broadcast address, so we wrote 255 at the end because it has to be 12 ones. So 8 would
Not
be the
not
last
12
of
ones.
it.
8 ones. Sorry, 8 ones. Two five
Yeah,
five
I
for
mean the
8 ones.
remaining 4 will go the other side. I mean to say
Yeah,
because
exactly.
we,
Yeah, yeah.
yes. So what about the the starting 4 ones that we're able to see?
The starting one, this already we have taken to the what? To the network. You mean like you
To the
can say to the
network.
network.
Okay,
And we are, our formula is just to turn. We are just playing with the host parts
only the host.
in the
Correct.
network address and broadcast
Mhm.
address.
Okay. Okay. Yes, got it.
Okay, got it right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. So 10.15, 15. Yes, we can proceed.
yeah. We can go ahead, right?
Yes.
Okay. I will here down one minute. Okay. Now to go, we go to the subnet, subnet, subnet number one, right?
Yes.
Okay, subnet number one, C. Now we want the network address. Okay. How we'll get the network? Very easy. You see this one?
Yes.
Broadcast address of the
Address.
previous subnet. Just get the immediate IP address
Mhm.
after this one, after the broadcast address. That will
Okay.
be the first IP address for the next
Subnet.
subnet. And this will be used for the network address. First,
Okay.
always remember, first IP address and the last IP address always are used for the network address and broadcast address only.
Okay.
Then we want to get the next IP address after this immediately. Okay,
Okay.
let's see. Let's see. Here we will not touch this, right?
Yes.
This will not touch. Okay. Now write with
Correct.
me 10.15 dot. Okay. After 15, what? 16.
Uh, 16. Correct.
Normal, right?
Yes.
And after 255,
25. Is it 256? I mean,
after 255, 0.
0. Okay.
Right? Because after 255, we will not get 256. We will go to 0.
0. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
This is clear here.
Yes.
It is easy to get this
1.
one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Now,
1,
okay, let's put this down here.
16 and then 0. Okay.
Now 16.0. It's clear, right? This is network
Yes.
address. This is the first IP
Mm.
address that will be for network. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's go for the broadcast address. Let's go for the broadcast address. Okay, how we'll get the broadcast address? By making all parts of host once, right? Are we with me, Ritik and
Yes, I
Sanjay?
am with you.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
The formula which we know, how we make the broadcast address? By making all the parts of
All
host once.
host binary ones.
Okay. Now let's write the upper network address. Okay. Okay. Let's wait.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's 1111. What 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why we wrote here 8 ones? Because here 255. This one. See, this 255. Okay. Right? Because this is a network address, right?
Yes. Correct.
Okay, network address. This is a
Correct.
network address.
Network address.
It is
Network address.
111. It is 1111. Sorry. Yeah.
16
It,
bits. Yeah. 16
yeah, it is
B.
111. Okay.
Mhm.
Now after that, also this one here,
Again 1 1.
also 111. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we will take this one, this 16.
Mhm.
This 16, because
Correct.
this wasn't belong to the network address, right?
Yes.
It was
Correct.
it was like, if you see here, it was 0, right? So
0.
we will
Correct.
take it as this one, 16. 16. If we write 16, it will be
In
0.
binary. Mhm.
Wait. That will be 1,
1,
1,
4
2,
times 1.
4, 8, and after that 16. Okay, 16. That means 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Sorry,
Then all
1,
zeros.
2, 3, 4. It's
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And here 0, 0, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right?
Okay.
Now, if you look here, here are the parts which it belongs to host, right? Are you with
Correct.
me? This part
Correct.
belongs to
Yes.
what? Belongs to host, right?
Host. Host. Yes.
Okay. Then to get the broadcast, we have to turn all these zeros to ones.
1.
Clear?
Yes.
All right. Then we will copy the same one up there. Up here, we'll copy it. Copy. And we'll do it down here. Paste. Okay. And we have to make all these ones, all these zeros ones. How many? Here with this one first. 4
4.
ones. 1, 2,
Mhm.
3, 4. And
4.
here 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Now get get the one, get this one. Get that, like this one here, I bet this. It will be the broadcast for you. See? 10. As I told you, this will not touch. Allah. What happened? What happened? What
Yes.
happened? What happened?
You zoomed it out actually.
I'll make it bigger. So
Just
just
press the control key on your keyboard. Press the
control.
control key and use the scroller on your mouse.
Actually, because I'm using this touch one, I don't know where is the scroll. You cannot find it easy.
The scroller which we have on the mouse in
I
the
cannot
middle
do
of
it
the
here. There is
we
nowhere
you can
here.
do control and the plus sign also. Control and the plus sign on your keyboard.
Yeah, thank you, dear. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. See here. Now, as I told you,
Mhm.
we will not touch this two. 10.15. This will not touch it, right?
Yes.
This is 10.15. Okay. Dot.
Okay.
Now we want to write this in decimal.
Decimal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
How we write this in decimal?
31.
31.
31.
Exactly. It is 31. Dot
255.
255. That will be the broadcast for the second subnet. Clear?
31.255.
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Now we will go to the third one, right? Subnet
Yeah.
2. Now we'll go to subnet 2. As I told you, use what the same steps which I told you in the subnet 1, use it here. Now we want the next IP address after this one. The next IP address after this one. Can you tell me? It is easy, right? 1 minute. You write
Uh,
here network address.
10.15 dot. Yeah.
Network address. Okay. Then after this
10,
one,
uh, 10.15.32
10.
dot
Excellent.
15
N dot
15 dot
15 dot
dot 32
32 dot
dot 0.
0. Excellent. Excellent. All right. Now we'll go to the broadcast address. We have to do. You have to make this because we need it, right? We have to make this in binary form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 32. 32 it will be. Copy this one. Paste it here and make this 0 and make this ones. Right? Am I right? You getting me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you're getting me right? Okay. And here we do all zeros. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Let's go to broadcast. Let's go to broadcast address. Okay. Now the broadcast address will be
Yes.
now, as I told you, make all this what? Make all this
Once.
once. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's make this in a binary form, in decimal form. It is 10 dot 15. That, as I told you, the first will not touch it.
Then
Dot.
127.
This is will be what?
127.255.
127. This is 127. I don't think so. Here till here it was 32, right? 32 plus 64. Again. No, it was 32 here. 32. 1 minute. Here this
Is it
what
63?
one
63.
63, yeah. 63.
is 63, right?
Yeah.
How 63? Wait a minute. It is 3, 7,
31 plus 32, I guess.
15, 15 plus 32. It is 47. 47 plus 40 plus 60. It is 100, 107. Let me make it with the calculator. It's difficult sometimes. I get mixed up. Okay. It is 255 minus 128 minus 64, right? Right? It is 63.
Yeah. 63.
It
Yes,
is
63.
63.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah, it's 63. Dot what? Dot 25.
255.
Excellent.
255.
Excellent. Yeah. I think now it's clear, right?
Yeah.
Can we go
Yes.
to subnet number 3, then or number
Yes.
4, then to be clear. But I'm just going to type only. You have to tell me, guys. Now I
Okay.
want the net subnet. Wait 1 minute. Subnet 3. Subnet 3 network address. Okay, now we want network address for subnet 3. What we will do after this immediately? I said after this immediately.
10.15
10.15
dot
dot
48.
17.
huh
48.
Mm,
why 48? After this, after 63 immediately what?
64.
64, easy.
54.
60,
Yes.
64 dot
Uh,
dot
0.
after this dot 0. Excellent. Excellent. It's still confusing, guys. Hmm? Actually, it's all
Uh,
about, as Sir said, it's all about
mhm,
decimal. It's all decimal. So
correct.
after you look into this 1 0 1 0, will get mixed up in your mind. I know that. But try to
Mhm,
just to know the steps. It is easy things, easy,
correct.
very easy things. You have to know what you want to solve or what you want to get, and the formula. What the formula is clear for you, making network address, sorry, making the host part all zeros in case of
0.
getting the network address, and
Network.
making the host part all ones in the case that you want to get the broadcast address. That's it.
Broadcast address. Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's go to the,
Ibrahim, hello.
yes.
Can we again check this 64?
This 64, this
Yeah.
one,
It could be 0 0 double 1 then 4 times 0.
again, this
The
one.
subnet, yeah, the decimal part.
Okay, you're talking about decimal part. Yes,
Yeah, 10 point, 15 point.
it will be the decimal will be like this.
Yeah,
10, sorry.
1
Uh,
1 1. 8 times 1.
yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1
Yeah,
2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
yeah.
Here 64, what? 64, it will be 0
Not about
1.
64. We have host like 8 and host and 4 host here.
4
Hmm?
subnet. Yeah.
What again?
The host
So,
part, the I'm talking about the rightmost part. It
Okay.
would be all zeros, 8 zeros. Then in the third bit, it would be four four zeros at the at the rightest part, and then the left part is 0 0 1 1.
You are talking like this. You are talking about this one, right? You are talking about this one, right?
Yeah, that's it, the right part, the rightmost part.
The right host part, yeah, it will be zeros now here. In network
Yeah,
address, it
8
will be all,
zeros.
yeah, 1 2 3 5 6 1 again, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
In subnet 3, it would be 0 1 1.
In subnet,
3 is it would be 0 1 1.
yes.
You are taking only one single time. It would be 2 times 1
No.
in
See
subnet
here,
3.
see, you don't get confused. Just I will give you a good step. See here, getting this. I don't think it's difficult now. It is difficult getting network address like this in this form. In this form, it is difficult to get this one
Wait, I don't teach you.
just by looking to the last.
Yeah, I think I
I
might
feel,
be correct here. It's 1 2 3 4 ठीक है, then 1 1 might be correct.
yeah, it is correct. This is 64. This one,
No,
Because
my
one
one
here,
is correct, might be. My one is correct, might be.
what you are saying?
Wait, I am taking the
So
control.
he's saying, how do we get three in binary? So it's actually supposed to be 1 1 at the end. So that's what he's saying.
1 1 here. He's
If
saying
you,
here 1 1.
No,
yes, so instead of 1 1, instead of just one number one, it should be two number ones.
No, 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 no.
no.
Because we are converting this one
Ibrahim,
64. Ah,
Ibrahim, can you give me the control for once?
yeah, yeah, yeah. How I should give you? Because I don't know here.
Uh,
Just go to the Teams call. I'll show you the Teams call. Uh, on your taskbar at the bottom next to your notepad, you have the Teams icon. Just click on that.
below.
At the
Below.
top, yeah,
What?
to the very
Okay, here.
bottom on your taskbar. Yes,
Yeah,
click on Teams and go to the
This.
call. Yes, and
Go to
now,
the.
now,
more.
Surati, you will have to request control. Just see if you're getting that option.
No, I am not getting the option.
Say he wants to take control over the.
To know.
Yeah, he wants to get the control.
So
He
I
wants to
think
be
that option
control.
is not available. Yeah.
I'm sharing my screen right now, Ibrahim.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let him share first. You are connecting from browser or what are you? How are you connecting?
App.
So take control is there. You have take control option. You don't have take control option there.
No, it's not. It's not showing right now, sir.
Acha, because from your place you have to say take control. So
We will give you permission.
Right now, can you see my screen?
yeah, we can see your screen.
For subnet.
Can we just maximize a little bit the font because we can't see properly? Yes, that's it.
Can it be like that?
No,
Because 12 host
So
and for subnet 03 it would be 0034.
yeah, I think it's right because we have to leave 12 for host and subnet was 4 bits. And out of those 4 bits, if we were to write 3
yes,
in
you guys,
binary.
you know what? The main just getting the network address in each subnet. Just don't confuse yourself. I will give you only one step. The last IP address of the previous subnet, just get the next IP address of it. The next IP address of it. I mean the higher IP address of it. Just like
Okay.
that. Just take it. If you do this, then you will solve all the other things on subnets. You know? I'll take the control again. Should I take the control again?
You wanna share the screen or you wanna just
Okay. Yeah. No. No. Can you see my screen?
no, you haven't
Okay.
shared.
I'll share it again. Okay.
Yeah,
Just
we can now.
now, yeah. Just not to get confused. This is the last. This is a broadcast of the subnet 2, right? Just to get the network address, get the higher IP address of this immediately. I mean the next IP address of this immediately. So 63, easy to make it 64. 255, it's easy. After 255, it's 0. 0. Now this one, make it in binary. make it in binary. Okay, when you make it in binary, you will get this.
But
All right.
Ibrahim, but
Huh.
Ibrahim, according to this new subnet in subnet 3, the binary should be of 8 of 12 hosts, right? But by your exam, it should be 18 or
Listen,
14 hosts.
just listen up, listen up. Yeah. I got you what you want to say, because you are saying here, I know why you're getting confused. We are saying here, where is it? Yeah, we are saying, what is that? Okay, wait 1 minute. Yeah, we are saying here 4 bits, right?
Where?
Here.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
We are saying here 4 bits, right? And you want to say that why you are touching these 4 bits?
No, I am not. Because in sir have mentioned in subnet 0, it should be 6 times 0. And in subnet 1, it should be 5 times 0 and 1. And but
Exactly.
yeah,
Right. Yeah, it's like that.
but in subnet 3, it would be 4 times 0 and double 1. 1, 1.
4 times zeros.
Yes, in subnet 3.
No, I
I be
think
mentioned in the group as well.
I think sir can make that more clear. I will just let sir come. He will make it more clear.
Okay.
Your question, I think sir will clear it for you.
Are you on WhatsApp in the group right now?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
I have just pinned the example.
I can see your pen.
What?
Okay, because I did not open the internet. Sorry, sir. I'm not opening the internet. That's why. Sir, I think they have some confusion, and also it is very bit difficult for me just to clear it. Actually, okay, now I got the internet.
What?
Here, see,
What is the confusion?
yeah, see, I will give you. You can have your seat. I'll come back.
Just a second. I'll connect the cable just.
Okay. Report part 16 format 6 post 10. If you have
Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, we have how many subnets we want? 12 subnets, right? 12
Yeah.
subnets, when you convert to binary, you get 4 bits, right? That's what is shown here, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So when you do that, so it becomes, see, look at the subnet mask. What was the subnet mask given to us?
255.255.0.0.
Just a second. 255.255.0.0. So it is a non-standard subnet mask. So don't worry about that. It's a classless. So don't give much attention. This is the network. Subnet is also network. This network is given to you. right? Now you want to further subnet it, right? So as per this subnet mask, you can see that 16-bit is the network part, okay?
Correct.
And you want 12 subnets are required, right?
Yeah.
So what you do is, because we need 12, so we converted 12 to binary. You got 4 bits here, right?
Yeah.
4 bits. Correct.
So that's why the subnet mask will be the 16 bits this and 4 bits
Correct.
this.
4-bit subnet. Yeah.
So total how much? 16 plus 4, it becomes 20,
20.
right?
Yeah. 20.
So it is slash 20.
Remaining. Yes.
So
Remaining
remaining,
for host. Yeah.
yeah, remaining for host. How much? 8, 9,
12.
10, 11, 12. 12 bits for the host, right?
Hmm.
Clear? So far, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everything clear, no?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the new sub. So after converting to decimal, the subnet mask looks like this. This is how the subnet
Correct.
mask looks. Correct? Now
Correct.
maximum subnets is equal to 2 raised to 4, which is 16. Our requirement is 12, so it's meeting the requirement, correct?
Hmm.
Maximum number of hosts per subnet is 2 raised to
16.
12 minus 2,
12.
which is 4094. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we come to subnet 0. So what you have to do is just write here subnet 0 in binary. 4 bits, because we have reserved 4 bits for that. So 0 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah.
Subnet
Correct.
1 is subnet 1 is, how will you write it in 4
301.
bits? 1, 2, 3.
3010.
3.
00001.
Yeah.
Then subnet 2,
2 zeros, 1 0.
2010.
2010.
Yeah.
Subnet 3,
It's 0 0
One.
1 1
1 1.
00,
1 1.
1,
1
1
1.
1.
1.
Correct?
Yeah.
Khalas. So that's what you have to remember. Now we come to subnet 0. So subnet 0 is this, right? Like this. Okay.
Hmm.
So subnet 0, what we have to do is new subnet address. So you have not done everything here, right?
Yeah. I remember.
Yeah. So if you put 4 zeros, this is the network part, right? The 16
Yes,
bit
sir.
is fixed.
Yes,
4
sir.
zeros and host part also you have to make 4 zeros. Sorry, zeros. So how many host part? 12, right?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now you rearrange it. So when you rearrange, making groups of 8, 8. So what it will
Yes, sir.
be?
Should be.
I'll make group of 8, 8, right?
Yeah.
4 here, 4 here, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So like this it will be, right? So it is going to be what? 10
10
dot
dot
15
dot 0 dot
dot
0.
0 dot 0.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
And broadcast will be what?
Broadcast will be
So broadcast address, what is the funda of broadcast address?
all ones.
First
All
All
divide,
ones.
all.
first, no, first only host part all one. So
Yeah.
10.15
All
is
host
the
part.
network part. Subnet part is 0, 0,
4
0,
zeros
4 zeros. And then
and
12
4 1.
ones. 12 ones.
Hmm.
4 here
What?
and 8 there.
Array 12 ones, not host part is what? If
Yes,
you
sir.
look
I'm
here,
dividing already.
don't divide. You,
Sorry,
you
sorry,
don't skip. You do long jump. That's why you fall in between.
sorry.
Why you want to divide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like this.
Yes, sir.
Whole problem is of shortcut only. First do always long cut, then go for shortcut.
Yeah.
World has become all shortcut, so that's why people are failing. Believe in long cut, not shortcut. Okay? That will be.
Now.
So now we'll rearrange, right?
Yeah.
Like this. 8, 8 for grouping purpose. So what do you get here?
10 dot
10 dot
15.
15 dot 15. Again 15 is come, right?
50.
This is 15 and 255. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what is the valid range?
Valid range would be 10.15.15.1 to 10.15.15.0
15.0
point.
point. 0
Sorry,
point 1 na, my
0.1.
dear.
Yeah.
0.1.
0.1.
2, 10
10
point
dot 10 dot 15.
15
15.15.254.
dot
15
15 dot
dot
254.
254.
254. Correct. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Same thing you do
Correct.
for others also. Correct?
So, yeah, so the question, Manoj, actually was for subnet 3. If you
Subnet
Hmm.
look
2
at
as well.
yeah,
Get
subnet 2 and
broadcast.
subnet 3, yeah.
Huh.
So if you look at subnet 2 and subnet 3, and specifically at the if you look at the broadcast address, so
Hmm.
Mm.
uh, so we saw that 2 is written as let me just check, 0 1
0010.
0010.
Hmm.
So so in the third octet, if you look at the third octet of the broadcast address, so
Hmm.
should it not be 0010 and then 1111?
For
Only the third
broadcast.
octet. Yeah.
Yes, in subnet
The
For
2.
broadcast.
broadcast. Yeah, correct.
Yeah,
You're right.
third octet.
It should be like this. It should be
0010.
broadcast address. Yeah, you're right. It should be like this. Correct. You're right.
And then
Mm.
similarly for subnet 3 in the third octet of the broadcast address,
Hmm.
should it be 011 and then 1111? So 011 and then remaining 5 ones.
Zero
Because
zero one. No,
3,
001. 0011, right?
So it's 0011 and then 4 zeros.
yeah, correct. 0011. Correct. Because we're talking about 4 bits. Correct.
Yes, correct.
0011.
Correct. Network address will be this. This is all.
0011.
This is subnet mask. No,
This is subnet, yes. I'm talking about subnet mask.
you're confusing between this actually. Just a second. Just a second. Gad. This is not broadcast address. This is not broadcast address at all. This is also what here. This everything is gone for a toss. Okay. Here, what we are doing is here it should be like this. 10 dot 15 network part.
Mm.
Like that it should be.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Similarly, here also
10 dot 15.
10 dot 15 dot like this. Like this it is going to be.
Mm.
Okay. And then you convert to, so this is going to be 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. This is
47.
right. And what about this?
The 47 instead
1,
of
2,
63.
4, 8, 16, 32. It is what?
47.
47. Are you sure?
Yes.
32, 64, 64 minus 16.
15 plus
48 minus 1 is 47. 48
47.
bits.
1, 3,
47.
2, 4, 8,
15 plus
16,
32.
16. Let's call that 64.
15 plus 32.
15 plus 32.
15 plus
47.
32.
64 we said 16 गया तो
47.
16 या 64 में से तो 48 बचा तो 48 0 to
48
47.
आना चाहिए ना 48 आएगा ना
47.
47 अच्छा 47
47. Sorry, 47.
yes 47 got it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So similarly here also this is network address fine whatever you've
This will
done
be 48.
what
10 dot 15 dot
10 dot 15 dot then here it is going to be 00 right 0011
Mm.
it's a broadcast address no you're doing what are you
Yeah, broadcast. This is network address of
Okay,
subnet number 3.
this is network address okay network address will be what this so how much it is 1 2 4 8 16 32 16 and 32 if you add
48.
together
48.
48. It is 48.
48 is.
Okay. And broadcast will be what?
25. This is 10 dot.
Just a second.
10 dot 15 dot. 1 1 second.
Broadcast address is going to be this is 1 1, right? So it will be what?
63.
Yes,
Mm.
10 dot 15 dot
63.
63 dot
Dot 25.
255.
255. Like that it will be. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear now?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This is 0001. This is
There is one thing, just make
0
me.
0
I want
1 0. Just a second. This is 0 0 1 1.
1 1.
Like this. Correct?
say it again.
Yes, correct.
Hmm.
Yes, I want to know the when we borrow the bits, how we deal with it. Like here we said for subnet 0, 0, 0, 0, all zeros, subnet 0, subnet 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, like this. Just can you repeat this, because this is, I think, the main, it is the main fundamental.
Yeah, so when you did this exercise here, when you said you want 4 bits, so here you just and you got this, right? This subnet one. Subnet must describe the structure of the IP address.
Mm.
So here you write network bits is how much? How many bits?
It is
16.
16 plus
16.
4.
16.
16.
Yeah.
Subnet
Subnet
bits,
Subnet is
are 4.
4.
subnet part L, right? Network part L, right? Part. Hmm? Subnet part. Subnet part is
4.
4. And host part.
12.
Host part is
12.
12. So this you have to keep in mind. So if you see here, for example, this network address, so this 16 bit is the network part. This 4 bits is the subnet part. And this 12 bits is the host part.
Can you just show me the form of subnet number 4? Subnet of the bits, how the bits will be like?
Subnet number 4.
No, here. Here, only just here. Subnet 4. How?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subnet 4 is number 4, no?
Yeah.
Subnet 4 is going to be 0, 1, 0, 0, 4 bits.
Okay.
Getting?
Yeah. Good.
So just keep this structure in mind. Once you calculate the new subnet mask, you know the structure. 16 bit for network part, 4 bit for the subnet part, and 12 bit for the host part. And if it is a subnet address, just make 12 bits 0 for the whole for the broadcast, make the 12 bits 1, right? And for subnet part,
Correct.
just write the subnet number, whatever the subnet number, 4 bits in 4 bits. Got it? And
Yeah.
for 16 bit, you don't have to do anything. You have to keep it same.
Hmm. I make big jump actually, because I left this subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2. I have to write down the bits, how it looks like.
Don't make it shortcuts. If you
Yeah.
make, that's what I said. If you are making short, you will be short all the time. Right? Be long cut all the time.
Hmm.
Long cut is the best thing to do when you're learning. Always do the long cut. Don't take shortcuts. Only
I
the
think
person who is very good at uh, long cut, then he can go for shortcut.
Hmm.
yeah.
Otherwise, you have no right to go for
Long cut.
long cut. Sorry, shortcut.
Yeah, shortcut. Yeah.
Long cut is important.
Sir,
Hmm.
10.15.0.0
Hmm.
हम इसको क्लासलेस इसलिए मान रहे हैं जो कि इसका सबनेट ये दे रखा है, या हमने सबनेटिंग करा है इसलिए हम इसको क्लासलेस मान रहे हैं।
कौन सा 10 point?
15.0.0 को हम क्लासलेस इसलिए मान रहे हैं क्या, या इसको जो कि हम जो कि इसका सबनेट 255.25 है।
नहीं, वैसे भी अभी क्लास का कंसेप्ट रह नहीं गया, इट्स ऑल क्लासलेस ओनली।
क्योंकि एज्योर में कोई सा भी मतलब वो क्लासलेस ही लेता है इसलिए।
हाँ, जब आप एज्योर में जाओगे ना, सबसे
क्लाउड
पहले
में।
आपको /16 10 वाला नेटवर्क दिखेगा, /16 क्लासलेस ही लेगा वो।
ओके।
और उसमें आपको सबमिट कर, ये जो हमने एक्सरसाइज अभी करी, सेम चीज वी कैन डू इन एज्योर, एग्जैक्टली सेम थिंग। व्हेन वी गो ऑन टू द एज्योर, we'll be doing same thing, exactly same, no difference whatsoever.
So Manoj, is it that the classless IP addresses are mostly is that the reason why they are mostly seen in the cloud environment?
uh, is this the reason? Means what? I didn't get.
वो आपने स्टार्ट में एक बार बोला था ना कि यूजुअली क्लाउड में देखने मिलते हैं ऐसे क्लासलेस वाले आईपी एड्रेसेस।
नहीं, क्लासलेस तो सब तरफ हो ही गया है, क्लाउड में ऐसा नहीं है।
ओके।
तो people started using classless long time back, right?
ओके।
तो सबनेट, डोंट से दैट, मतलब डिफॉल्ट सबनेट मास्क तो है, बट नोबडी टेक्स डिफॉल्ट सबनेट मास्क, वो क्लासलेस ही लेते हैं। /16 ये मिलेगा आपको। लेट मी चेक, आई लॉग इन टू एज्योर अकाउंट, लेट मी सी, आई हैव टू एनी व्हिच इज लॉग इन। So I'll just log into the Azure account. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, Arfat created the account. No, let me create one. Let me log in and
Yeah,
see.
correct.
Let us see if we are able to log into it. He has given me some Azure portal login. Let's put his email ID. Yeah, 7 at gmail.com. Next. Let's put. सेंड कोड का पूछता है, अरे यार क्या ये? I don't have any of these. Verify online क्या? Email. We will get back to the account by filling out the questionnaire. We will get back to you to refer. इसको ये भेजना पड़ेगा। If you decide something usual about the signing, for example, you might be signing for a new device location app. That is your email address. Okay. We'll have to ask Arfat to send the code. Let me ask you. Just call him. हाँ अल्फात, ये एक कोड आया होगा आपको, एज्योर में लॉगिन किया है तो कोड भेजो ना मुझे जरा प्लीज। आपके जीमेल पे आया रहेगा, जीमेल पे आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप करिए ना प्लीज। करिए करिए। हाँ, चेक करो आया क्या।
अभी सेंड करो ना कोड, भेजे थे क्या?
हाँ, क्या है इसमें? कोड रहेगा ना कुछ तो। To verify that this is your email address, complete the hidden part and click send code. अच्छा, आपका ईमेल आईडी डालना पड़ेगा। अच्छा, एक मिनट अभी डाल दो। अंसारी अरफात 7, okay. Ansari alpha 7, okay. अभी आया रहेगा देखो, अभी कोड आ गया. 55, हाँ. 773, ओके. हाँ हाँ, कल बता तो आपका क्रेडेंशियल मुझे भेजो. आपका एमएस आईडी लॉगिन है क्या? आपका क्रेडेंशियल भेजो. एमएस आईडी अकाउंट बना है क्या आपका? हाँ, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट आईडी यूजर ने पासवर्ड भेजो मुझे, तो बन जाएगा. यही कैसे इसी पे करने के? अच्छा, वही है क्या? ठीक है, मैं कल स्केड्यूल करेंगे उसको, तो कल आपका कोड लगेगा फिर से. ओके. ओके ओके, थैंक यू. Okay, it is logged in, right? So we are in onto Azure now, correct? Welcome to Azure. So let's start. Can you all see the Azure screen? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Let me check if I can remove this security thing. Try ID. The Alpha Ansari. So here, custom security authentication methods here. Custom security methods. To remove that code, it should not ask code. Just a second. It's asking code, na, for logging
Yeah.
out, right?
Maybe incidents over here.
Interesting. These. Because otherwise, every time it asks for code, no? Security default. Defaults, right? Excel one this thing. Required use multi-factor 10, 16, 10, 2024, right? Disabled. Ability organization. Right. That was it. Yeah. उसको फोन कब को बोलेंगे अभी तक क्लास में okay, so I will remove that, so I will not ask for it. Now, over here, see, I will create a network now. Just see, you will see. Now, we will create the exact same situation, what we did now, right? So I go to, can you all see? Create a
Yes.
resource,
Yes, sir.
or I'll just write here virtual network. This is the marketplace. I'll write virtual networks. Let's create one virtual network. Create. When I do that, just see what happens. It's asking free trial, okay, with subscription free trial. Select resource group. We have to create a resource group. In Azure, everything is created in a resource group. Resource group means? It's a group of all resources. Right? So I create new. So my resource group like this. Okay. Created virtual network names my SFT network. Region, I'll choose India, Central India. Then next, some security. Actually, it's we will not give much attention. We will use default here and IP address. See, look here. We started with this, right? /16. Okay, and it now it has created one network here, zero network, a big network /24, right? But I can start with this. See, it started with this, but I can just delete this address space and I can add a new address space here. Okay, here I want to change it, right? What is our network address for the thing? Our one which we did just now, that exercise.
10.15.
10.15. So I'll use the same thing, 10.15, it's /16, correct? Right? So we are using the same thing. Then we add a subnet to this. We know subnet, how to add the subnet, right? The subnet 0, right? So I'll make this as default subnet name. But we'll give that name as subnet 0 only. Chalo. Like this I'll give, right? Okay. So what is our IP address range? Our starting address is the right 1500.
Yeah.
And it's asking me this like the mask. It is what /20, right?
Yes, /20, yes.
So I'll use /20 here. So automatically it will take the proper thing. Has it taken properly the range? See the range.
No, sir.
4096 addresses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
But the
it's
usable is
-2.
4,994.
-2 it will do, but this is the
Yeah.
range, right?
This is the
Start
range,
and the end. This is broadcast. This is the network and this is the broadcast, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
we don't need to calculate anything.
No, but you need to know properly manually. I told you cloud is automatic. It's good for somebody who has knowledge. Otherwise, you'll become automatic engineer. Plug and play. Or if it works fine, I'll plug and pray. Okay. You want to do that? Even Allah will kick you, if you don't learn properly. All right. So this subnet 0. So I can make again subnet 1 now. I just add one more subnet. See, got it when I
I
said
just had
that
a
start
yeah, just had a
subnet
small question. So on the on the previous screen, why did it say /20?
because
How
that's
did
what
it
we
calculate?
want. Our business requirement is that, na, /20. We want 12
Okay,
subnets.
okay. Well,
So that's why in
so
theory we calculated, no? So 4 bits more, right? It's taking /24 by default, but we don't want
And
that.
it is here. If I waste IP address, it will be charged, right?
No, no, it is not charging, but it's good to be precise.
okay.
Okay. So here /20 again I'm taking. Okay. By default, it's taking /24. If you take /24 first, this, then it gives you 256 address because for subnet part you're taking 8 bits. Okay. But if I take for subnet part 4 bits, so I have to take /20. /20 is this. So it will give me 4096 addresses, right? Look at the range. This is what we calculated.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir.
Look at our answers. It's same,
Yeah,
Yes,
same.
sir.
correct? So
Yes,
like
sir.
this, this is how it works. When I go and view and create. So this guy will do automatic thing, but you will be lost in the, big jungle. You will feel lost. You want to feel lost, then no problem. No need to learn anything. Just go with the flow,
You
with the
will
wind.
understand what you are clicking and what you are doing.
Yeah.
But then now
That's what people teach. In many places they're teaching like this. They're making you plug and play. Just do this, do this, do this. And you don't know what you're learning, right? It's a problem.
I have a foolish guy use this one,
Hmm.
and he's like just wasting IP addresses.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
he needs only 2 IP address. He did like 4096, whatever.
Mhm. So yeah,
Then it will be miserable for Azure people. Means it's like question of a lot of IP addresses.
yeah. Yeah, see, you have to know. So I'm teaching you from the architect point of view. I told you, right? Teaching you to as a designer. So I'm giving you all the knowledge, what is necessary for you, right? Okay. And then when I say create, it will create. The network gets created. Getting so what we are going to study in theory and what I am teaching you is directly applicable. Do you agree now? Just imagine if I had
Yes.
taken directly to the Azure like this, what you would have understood? Nothing. I would have said, okay, just click here, network is ready. Okay. Getting my point, guys?
Yeah,
Yes,
in
sir.
fact, it's easy to understand looking at the screen why it's showing range, why it's showing number of hosts, why it's
Yes,
giving us those options
correct,
because we
correct.
know the fundamentals now.
Yes, that is a thing. Okay, so I'm teaching you like that, right from scratch, right?
And in fact, I think I got the other point also where you said if you're getting a job just as a network admin, that is where you are just assigning IP addresses or assigning a username and passwords to people. But if you're someone who's a network engineer, you need to know
Mm.
how the network is created, what is at the foundation of the network, how it was. I mean, how many hosts you want to have, how many subnets you want to have. So you're creating it right from scratch.
Yes, yes,
You are not
yes.
just managing people's login addresses and stuff like that. You're creating it right from scratch.
Yeah, learning is like that. No, when you learn, you
Correct.
should learn things right from scratch. You have to enjoy
Correct.
learning, right?
Correct. And
Learning
even
is
Enjoy.
from
really
your even from your job point of view, if you get hired somewhere and the company asks you to take care of their entire networking, you need to know how you want to manage their network. And at the and like you said, if you are wasting IP addresses, if you know all this, you can save the. I mean, you can work as someone who can advise to the company that you're wasting a lot of IP addresses here.
yes, correct, correct.
Yeah.
That is the whole thing, my dear.
And thank you very much, sir. Actually, you are clearing the things very nicely. The one feels like having confidence right now. I can discuss. So,
Yeah.
Good,
In
good.
fact, yeah, in fact, the subnet part where we looked
I
at
want to share my knowledge to everyone. See, I know a lot of things, right? Now I just want to share each and everything, whatever I know, and to the finest and purest way. Okay. I want my guys, my students to excel in the world. Okay, I'm creating an army of my students now. Okay, I've decided. And I want to give as much possible to everyone,
you
right?
know, and the things like before, actually, I have went through this submit before, but if you ask me, just do submitting what you want to get, what you want to do, why it means the thing's not so clear in my mind,
Hmm.
you know, and I was like hesitating in everything.
Correct.
Now I feel like exactly I can control the things.
Good, good, good. Yeah,
Yeah, feeling more confident.
thank you so much. Good that if you're feeling confidence, great.
Yeah,
Okay,
in
guys.
fact, in
So,
fact, today,
huh,
in fact,
yeah,
today's exercise really helped because I think till yesterday or day before yesterday, even I was not very confident with the subnets. But
hmm.
what we discussed today, today's exercise was really helpful. I'm able
Well,
but
to, I
I
mean, I was
allowed
able
you
to
to
understand the
do
concept.
group
Yeah,
discussion. I allowed you to
correct.
do group discussion because group discussion always helps.
yeah,
Always
Okay,
helps.
I
Correct.
said, okay, I left it to you. Okay, you make it. You
yeah,
help each other.
Yeah,
And then if you have problems, I'm there to support, right? So
yeah,
like
correct.
that.
Correct.
So I let you lose, right?
exactly,
Correct.
yeah.
And in
And
fact,
then
I got the concept much better today when we practiced it. I'm feeling a lot more confident in the subnet topic. I was not that confident. I was not feeling that confident a couple of days ago. But today
Yeah,
when we practiced it once again, I'm feeling much more confident now.
great, great. But
exactly.
Yep.
keep practicing. Do this for others also. This is very important
Correct.
because now it's fresh in your mind. If you don't practice, it will just get leakage like a
Correct.
capacitor. It will
That's correct.
leakage. So
Yes.
you do it for all the 10 things. That's why I give you big exercise. Ten questions I have given you, right?
Yeah,
So that you
Yeah.
get sufficient practice. And it's easy, just basic principles you have to apply. Is it complicated? It's not, right? Just basic things you have to apply and it works for you, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
And I tell you, no book will explain you like this, the way I have explained. Okay, they explain in very different
Correct.
ways. If you go to the
Yes.
textbook or anything, it's a very, very different way of explaining, right?
yeah.
Okay, dear. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So we're connecting directly on Saturday, right?
Saturday we'll connect.
Saturday.
yes,
Okay.
So the
morning.
timing would be
Timing, let me check. I have some, mostly it will be, I would like to connect by 12 only. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay.
12 to
Okay.
2:30, right?
12 to
Right.
2:30, yeah, 12.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
Manoj. Thanks a lot. Thank you,
most
guys.
welcome. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.